What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kadeja. In today's video I will be doing a wig install for you guys. So the wig we're installing today is a 24-inch HD lace straight wig. This is it. The unit is from Jessie here. It comes pre-plucked already. The strap is already attached, so I'm just gonna go ahead and move along to the install. This is the package our wig came in. It got damaged along the way, but this is it. And we also received some small gifts in our package. I'm gonna show you guys what I received. So I received a melting band, of course, with their branding that says Jessie's Wig. We also received a wig cap, lashes, and some makeup brushes. What I received in my package may not be what you receive, but go ahead and make your purchase. I will be putting the link down below so you guys can purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and move along to the install. I feel like anytime I do like braids like this, it shows that my hair is braided like this underneath my wig. I don't know why I even did that, but let's see. I'm doubling the wig caps today just to see if I can get rid of that bulk. Fortunately for us, the wig already came pre-plucked and it has these straps sewed onto it already. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. So this is what the wig is looking like. It's giving the HD lace plucked hairline vibe and I love it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. I really like installing straight units because I feel like it's just super easy to install, because all you need to do is literally glue the wig, flat iron your hair, boom, you're done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install this unit. I think the lace on this one is a 13x4, but as you can see, the unit is plucked for us. This is it. So this is the glue we're working with today. Again, this is the Even Wonder Supreme. And before I cut the excess lace off, I feel like I actually want to glue the wig down. This is what it's looking like, and immediately I feel like my wig is so secured. And this wig, the hairline is given, like it is given right out the scalp, right out my head. Like it is growing straight out my scalp. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the ear tabs out and then we tie this down. Honestly, this hairline is given. I definitely will be wearing it super natural. I like how it's looking with the plucked hairline vibes. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the ear tabs out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of my BioSilk Silk Therapy, just a little bit. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut all this extra lace off. This is what it's looking like after I cut the excess lace off. Honestly, I'm not feeling this hairline. It is giving round. Go ahead and use some of my Fantasia liquid mousse around the hairline. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really love this wig. I love how it turned out. I love that I could keep it super natural because I wanted you to see that they plucked the hairline so good. This is it. Super natural. The wig lays really good. The only issue I had with this wig was that it didn't fit my head the way I wanted it to, but that's like a minor issue, so I would definitely give this a 9.5 out of 10. This is it. It is super silky, super soft, and it is moving. Again, this unit is from Jessie here, and I'm super pleased with the results. The unit is a 24-inch 13x4 HD lace straight wig. I love the way it turned out. I definitely love this wig. This is it. I will be linking the hair down in my description box, so make sure you check that out if you want to make your purchase. This unit, I love it. I love the way it turned out. I love the end result. From the beginning, it was just such a gorgeous unit. I really love how it turned out. And honestly, I definitely feel like this deserves a 9.5 out of 10. Comment down below and let me know how you feel about this unit. This is where I'll leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in another video.